Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Mazzer espresso grinder with us in the shop, and it came in just for the customer had actually bought brand new burrs, as you can see here, brand new burrs from Mazzer to just replace them. That's all we're gonna do, and so we went in there. Here's your older burrs, as you can see, kind of whipped up, and heavy use, they just get dull after a while. And so we went in there. I cleaned out the inside of the chamber, also replaced both burrs, and realigned it back. And so now we're just going to test the grinder. I'm going to put my hand over it. Do not do this, but I'm going to put my hand over it. Grinding just so the beans don't fly out because we weren't really given a hopper. And so this is on the finest grind setting. I just wanted to use that just to show the actual sharpness of the burrs. There you go. Let it run. There you go. Alrighty. And as you can see, we're going to pull it out just a little bit. And this is really, really fine. This is almost literally powder. And so, very, very good. Great grinder. Yeah. And so, that's about it for this video. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.